Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech here. In this video, I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 3 device on the day 1 after initial unboxing using with the GT mode. Yes, man, this is the exact question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video. And this Realme GT Neo 3 which has got the Dimensity 8100 chipset, as you can see clearly. And right now out of the box, the phone did enable with the 3GB of RAM expansion, as you can see friends, out of the box. So right now I'll be using the same settings and I'll try to do the GT mode and a benchmark test. And without GT mode, this is the benchmark scores. And today we're going to do the exact same test but with the GT mode. Let's find out, will there be any kind of change in the benchmark scores or not. And right now my room temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius and phone temperature is about 36 degrees Celsius. 36 and 34, not bad. Let's find out what will be the overall benchmark scores with GT mode and without GT mode. We'll try to find out exactly in this video. And the brightness, I'm trying to use at 50% brightness. I'm not sure why this flickering is happening even with the higher brightness levels. There is no desedimming option in this device, so that's another big problem. But anyway, let's continue the test. Let's see friends, what will be the high scores we can get in this Realme GT Neo 3 or by using the GT mode while performing these benchmarks. We'll try to find out exactly in this video what's going on. So I can be back after some time just to check the temperatures, maybe after a couple of minutes. We'll try to check the temperatures, what's happening in this device after some time. Right now, as you can see friends, all the annual benchmark percentage is about 72% and the temperatures did increase slightly higher, 42.4 this time. Because I'm using the GT mode, right? That's the main reason why the temperature slightly increased. So without GT mode, I did do the same benchmark test. So I got the highest about 40 degrees Celsius, 40.8 degrees Celsius, highest temperatures. But with GT mode, the temperature slightly seems to be increasing. Maybe because of high performance, I think so. With the GT mode, that might be the reason. But don't worry, again, I'll be back after some time just to check the overall scores and temperatures at the end of the benchmark test. Right now, as you can see friends, we are reaching close to the end of the benchmark test results as well. And regarding the temperatures, phone temperature is about 41.2 degrees Celsius. Exactly, 41.4. So it was able to maintain close to 41 degrees Celsius right now when performing this testing, 41. Without GT mode, it was able to maintain up to 40 degrees Celsius. So with GT mode, slightly higher temperatures can be observed in this device. So final scores in the Realme GT Neo 3 did reach up to 8,08,000 while using the GT mode in the Dimensity 8100 chipset. You can see the scores. So this is a complete review friends on this Realme GT Neo 3 device by using the GT mode and doing the benchmark test, 8,08,000. So which is kind of decent score, I would say, for this kind of Dimensity 8100 chipset. And temperatures did increase up to 41 degrees Celsius, not more than that. That's kind of below Snapdragon 888 processor only regarding the temperatures increasing. That's kind of one good sign, not bad in this phone. But overall friends, these are the quick benchmark test results on the Realme GT Neo 3 device on the day 1 after unboxing of this smartphone. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and until then, signing off. And this is a test done only using the 3GB of external RAM capabilities, not with 5GB. 5GB we may get different results. I'll try to perform the test as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.